For 30 days, I tested 5 different side hustles. I tracked every dollar made, every hour spent, and every headache along the way. Some of them surprised me, some of them disappointed me, and one of them, one that most people completely overlook, absolutely crushed the others. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly which side hustle is worth your time in 2026 and which ones to skip. Let's get into it. Before we get into the results, let me set the ground rules for this challenge. Rule number 1, each hustle had to be something anyone could start with little to no money. No, invest $50,000 in real estate type advice. Real hustles, accessible hustles. Rule number 2, I tracked actual time spent and actual money made so we could calculate real hourly earnings. Because making $500 in 40 hours is very different from making $500 in 4 hours. Rule number 3, I'm rating each hustle on 3 things: income potential, time freedom, and how hard it is to start. Here are the 5 hustles I tested, starting from the most well-known to the one that nobody is talking about. The promise: easy money, flexible hours, start today. The reality: driving for Uber and Lyft is the most accessible side hustle on this list. If you have a car that meets the requirements, you can be approved and on the road within a few days. No special skills, no investment, just show up and drive. During regular hours, the pay is decent, somewhere between $15 and $25 per hour after expenses depending on your market. But here's where it gets interesting. During surge pricing at events, airports, and weekend nights, the numbers jump significantly. In Miami, especially during major events like the World Cup, drivers are reporting $800 to $1,000 in a single day. The problem: you're trading time for money. Every dollar you make requires you to be behind the wheel. The moment you stop driving, the income stops. There's no leverage, no scale, and the wear on your vehicle adds up fast. My rating: income potential 610, time freedom 410, ease of starting 910. Verdict: great for fast cash when you need it, not a long-term wealth builder. The promise: make money while you sleep. The reality: if you have a property, a house, a condo, a spare room, Airbnb is one of the most powerful income generators on this list. The numbers in Miami right now are insane. With the World Cup driving demand through the roof, hosts near Hard Rock Stadium are charging $400, $500, $600 a night. A property that normally generates $2,000 a month is generating $8,000, $10,000 in a single peak month. But here's the catch: you need a property. And if you're renting, most leases don't allow subletting. So this hustle has a barrier to entry that the others don't. The workaround: become an Airbnb co-host. Find homeowners who aren't on the platform yet, manage their listing for them, and take 20 to 25% of the revenue. Zero real estate required. Pure service business. My rating: income potential 910, time freedom 710, ease of starting 510, without property 710 as co-host. Verdict: highest income ceiling on this list if you have property or can find a co-hosting deal. The promise: low startup cost, high demand, outdoor work. The reality: pressure washing is one of the most underrated service businesses you can start. In Miami especially, the humidity, the salt air, the constant sun, driveways, roofs, sidewalks, and building exteriors get dirty fast. And homeowners and businesses will pay good money to have them cleaned. A basic pressure washer runs $200 to $400. That's your entire startup cost. From there, you can charge $150 to $300 for a residential driveway, $500 to $1,000 for a commercial job. One job covers your equipment cost. Everything after that is profit. The hustle is real though. It's physical work. Hot Florida sun, water everywhere, bending and moving constantly. But for someone willing to put in the physical effort, the income is solid and consistent. My rating: income potential 710, time freedom 610, ease of starting 810. Verdict: criminally underrated. If you're willing to work physically, this is one of the fastest paths to consistent income with almost no startup cost. The promise: buy low, sell high. Turn $100 into $1,000. The reality, reselling, buying items cheap and selling them for profit on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Craigslist is one of the oldest hustles in the book. And it still works. The people who do it well have a system. They know what sells, where to find deals, and how to price for maximum profit. The challenge is time. To make real money reselling, you need to be constantly hunting for inventory. Thrift stores, garage sales, Facebook Marketplace deals, estate sales. It becomes a part-time job just finding the product before you even sell it. The upside, there's no cap. Some resellers are flipping $10,000, $20,000 a month in product. But those people treat it like a real business with systems and processes, not a casual weekend thing. My rating, income potential, 7/10, time freedom, 5/10, ease of starting, 8/10. Verdict, works if you treat it like a business. Inconsistent if you treat it like a hobby. The promise, use AI tools to do work for businesses and get paid. The reality, this is the one that won. And it's not even close. Here's why. Every small business in America right now needs help with AI. Building chatbots, automating workflows, writing content, managing social media, building websites, running ads. Most business owners know they need it. Almost none of them know how to do it. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need a degree. You need to learn the tools. ChatGPT, Claude, Canva AI, Google Ads, basic website builders, and position yourself as someone who can help businesses use them. I used AI to build my own business website from scratch with zero coding experience. I used AI to design my brand, write my ad copy, manage my SEO, and run my Google Ads. That skill set, which I learned for free, is worth real money to other business owners who don't have the time or patience to figure it out themselves. Freelance AI service providers are charging $500, $1,000, $2,000 per project right now. Monthly retainers for ongoing AI management are going for $500 to $3,000 per month per client. Land 5 clients and you have a $10,000 a month business. The startup cost? Zero. Your laptop and the knowledge you already have. My rating, income potential, 10/10, time freedom, 8/10, ease of starting, 7/10, verdict, the winner. Highest income potential, lowest startup cost, and the demand is only going to grow as more businesses try to figure out AI. Here's how all 5 ranked after 30 days. Number 5, Uber and Lyft. Great for fast cash, not for building wealth. Number 4, reselling. Works if you treat it like a business. Hard to scale without systems. Number 3, pressure washing. Underrated, consistent, good money for physical work. Number 2, Airbnb hosting. Highest income ceiling on the list, especially right now in Miami. Number 1, freelance AI services. The winner by a mile. Zero startup cost, unlimited income potential, and the market is wide open right now. The best part about number 1, everything I know about AI, I learned by building my own business. I didn't take a course, I didn't pay a coach, I just started using the tools and figured it out one step at a time. If you want to know more about how I built my business using AI from scratch, I made a whole video about it. Check it out after this one. That's 5 side hustles, 30 days, and 1 clear winner. The question now is, which one are you going to start? Drop a comment below telling me which hustle you're most interested in. I read every single comment and I'll give you my honest take on whether it's right for your situation. Subscribe to Grind District for weekly videos on real ways to build income. No fluff, no courses to sell, just real strategies from someone who's actually in it. I'll see you in the next one.